Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from Marinemax in Venice. This is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 27 Vantages. 27 is one of my favorite boats. I kind of nicknamed it the sport utility. Great family boat, lots of seating, lots of storage. You can easily fish off of it. So what we're going to do, we're going to kind of go through the boat, point out some of the features on this one. Of course, we got the AccuTrack hull, very deep V. Awesome ride to the boat. Between the hull and the deck, all closed cell foam. So that's why these things are unsinkable. Of course, the Whaler legend. This one's got the big 250 Verados. These are V8s, horsepower to weight ratio is awesome, fuel economy is great. This one, of course, is a two-tone hull with your blue. Underneath your hardtop also is blue, very sharp. Underwater lights. And this one has the fish package, which gives you your rod holders in the back. Has a recirculating bait well underneath the companion seat right here. But as we talked about, dual console, lots of protection from the weather, lots of seating all the way around. And these Mercuries are awesome. You definitely need to give us a call, maybe go for a ride or something like that. I'm really happy with those motors. Over here we have dedicated storage for our cooler, nice little wet bar. This is going to be our joystick right here. Also included with that will be your autopilot and skyhook. Plenty of room here if you want to do electronics, fully enclosed head. This one also has overboard discharge, dockside discharge. It's actually the canvas that comes with the boat. You've got a bow cover as well as a cockpit cover. Plenty of seating up here. This one's also equipped with your windlass. Very nice high sides, beautiful hardtop, matches the sides of the boat. Anyways, very, very popular boat. We've done very well at the 27 Vantages. If you'd like to come take a look at it, again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. Feel free to give us a call here at Marinemax in Venice. Our number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We do hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.